Walmart came out with their fall fashion, and since it is banging. Hello lovelies, welcome back to Ify Love Style, where we talk about everything fashion, beauty, and a little bit of lifestyle. If this is your first time of stopping by, hi, welcome. My name is Ifoma and I'm glad to have you. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe because I would love for you to stay here. I have a new haul for you guys today, and it's a Walmart haul. Walmart came out with their fall fashion, and since it is banging. So now let's get into the video. So the first item I have is this beautiful dress that I have on. Is from the brand Sofia Vergara. It comes in size extra small to 3X, so which is very good. And as you can see in the styling part of this video, it have this balloon sleeves, which I'm all about, and you also have a little bit of cutout. The cutout is barely noticeable. The neckline is a v-neck. It is quite a deep cut, and so if you don't care for it, I would say wear a camisole, and that way it will give you that coverage that you need. And in the styling part of video, first I styled it with my knee-high boots, and I added a hat, and I'm carrying a brown bag, and that is because I kind of choose one of the colors in the dress. I don't know if you can see, this dress have some kind of gold threads, and it just kind of make it pop a little bit for me. I just like it like this. When I started with the hat and the boots, I was just thinking of the rodeo. This is a fun dress that you can wear to rodeo. You can wear for your for events, and it is also a dress that you can wear for date night, and which is what I did in the next styling part of the video. I went ahead, I added my strap sandal, and I'm carrying a little clutch. This way you can just go for date night, you can go for dinner, you can go for girls night. I just love this look. And it also comes, I don't know if I mentioned, it comes in another color, in a blue floral color, but I like this one best. So on to the next item. So the next item I have is this set that I got from the brand Free Assembly, and it's come in the color navy blue, and I think it also come in a gray color, and the size is extra small to extra large. I am wearing mine in a size medium. And you know what you can do with this set. I just love loungewear. It is fall, it is winter. I love wearing loungewear during the weekends just to kind of run my errands. And I also love wearing loungewear at home during the fall season and the winter period. And I love this set because it is quite thick, so it will really keep you warm. And in the styling part of this video, first I went ahead, I styled it as a set, and I added these sneakers that I also got from Walmart. This sneakers is from the brand Time and True. Walmart really did something with their sneakers this time around. This sneaker looks like a high-end sneakers for the price. I got this under, I think it's under like $20 or $25, so I'm really shocked. The quality is really good. And in the next styling part of the video, I went ahead and I styled the sweatpants with this striped sweater that I got from the brand Free Assembly. That sweater size comes in a extra small to extra large. I'm wearing mine in the medium. And you see what you can do with a set. You can style it together, or you can style it separately, as you can see in this video. So I also went ahead, I styled the sweat top with a dress white pants. I'm wearing a black heel, and I'm carrying a white bag. So this is one way to elevate your loungewear. Sometimes I just like to dress up my loungewear. Who's to know? So on to the next item. So the next item I have is this black dress that I got from the brand free assembly. It is their ruffle neck dress, as it is called on the website, and it comes in size extra small to extra large. I'm wearing mine in a size medium. It does come with its own belt, which I kept in the styling part of this video. I just kept it simple. I went ahead and I styled this dress with my Chanel-like heels that I got from Amazon, and I'm also carrying a brand handbag. And you know, this is a perfect dress to wear to work. You can also add a trench coat. I just like this look. It is simple, it is chic, and I guess you can change the belt if you don't like the belt that it came with. So I just kept the belt, and I just like the way it turned out. It's a simple dress, so I just decided don't mess with it. It's black, it's always going to look good. On to the next item. So the next outfit that I have is this denim shirt that I got from the brand Free Assembly. They have this in a size extra small to extra large, and I'm wearing mine in a size medium just because I like an oversized look. That's why I got it in a size medium. And in the styling part of this video, I went ahead, I styled this with these black pants that I got from Scoop, and I'm wearing mine in the size 10, I think. This pants has this belt holes, and it also has elastic at the waist, which is what I really like about this pants. In the styling part of this video, I styled this denim shirt with the pants, and I just added some black belts, and I'm carrying a black handbag, and I'm wearing some ballet flats. I just kept it simple. It is something that you can wear to work on a Friday, and you know what you can do with denim. You can wear denim on denim. You can wear denim with like your tights. You can also wear it with a skirt. I just wanted to kind of dress the denim up a little bit. That is why I styled it like this. So on to the next item. So the next item I have is also this t-shirt, a striped t-shirt that I got from the brand Free Assembly. I just love stripes during the fall, and you know, it is such, I don't know, there's something about stripes that just make you look so cool. So in the styling part of this video, I went ahead, I also styled it with my blue denim that I got from the brand Free Assembly. The denim, it's a size 10. The top comes in size extra small to extra large. I'm wearing mine in a size medium. I also went ahead and I styled it with the same sneaker that I got from the brand Time and True. It's just an easy, simple look, and I added a black bag. Also went ahead and I added a black blazer that I got from the brand Scoop. This is one of their famous blazer. It comes in this like also ruche sleeves, so that way you don't need to pull up your blazer, which is what I really like about this blazer. Just a chic, simple look that you can also wear to work, that you can just wear around town. All of these items, they can be styled separately. You can wear this striped shirt with other colors of denim. You can wear it with a dress pants. You can wear the denim with any top. And that is what I like about all of this outfit that Walmart came out with. On to the next item. So the next item I have is this satin skirt from the brand Time and True. It has a slit at the front and it has elastic at the waist. It comes in size extra small to extra large. I'm wearing mine in a size medium. And in the styling part of this video, I wanted to make it dressy, so I styled it with this blouse, long sleeve blouse with a necktie, that with like a mock neck but with a tie at the back, that I got from the brand Scoop. That top comes in a size extra small to extra large. I'm also wearing mine in a size medium. I just wanted to make this look a little bit dressed up. It's something you can wear to work, it's something you can wear to church. And in the styling part of this video, I added my black Mary Jane heels that I just got from Amazon, and I'm carrying a black handbag. So let me know in the comment section about the way that I styled this particular outfit. I'm kind of curious, what do you guys think? So guys, that will be all for this video. I did not want to make it long. I still have a lot of other Walmart videos, so I'm just going to push back some of my August content that I already have and bring you guys these Walmart videos, because I want you to be able to buy these things. Everything I will link in the description box. Walmart sells out really fast, but they are restocking. As I'm checking the website, they are restocking. So, and I will also say go in store. Some of these things I also got them in store. Like the scoop items, you may have to refine your search and add another zip code, and maybe you find it in some select stores. But most times, free assembly, time and true, no boundaries, and NYC, those items, they can be found in the store. So I would say check your local Walmart, and of course be sure to check their website, because I think they are restocking. It's still very early, but keep in mind that Walmart sells out very fast. So be sure to leave me a comment in this video. Let me know if you like the way that I style the outfits and which one is your favorite. Are you shopping for fall already? It's time to start shopping because fall is here already. And also, please be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Check me out on Instagram to see how I will be putting this outfit together, and also on YouTube Shorts. And until my next video, take care of yourself, and I will see you all. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.